Yay! It is story time. One day, two goats were trying to cross a river by walking over a weak and narrow bridge. The goats were at the opposite sides of the bridge, but they both wanted to go first. They both started walking on the bridge. When they reached the center of the bridge, they started fighting about who should cross first. As they kept fighting, the bridge broke and both the goats fell into the river. Now that we listen to the story, let's look at some questions. You can circle the answers that your child will tell. You can also ask more such questions to your child about the story. The first question: who does the story talk about? A. Goats, B. Cats, or C. Dogs? Second question: what are the goats trying to cross? A. Park, B. River, or C. Train? Third question: did the goats do the right thing? Why do you think so? A. Yes, or B. No? Fourth question: what would you do if you were in the goat's place? A. Keep fighting, B. Let the other goat pass, or C. You would do something else?